Hello everyone, in this video we will see how to connect Google Forms to N8N. First, open the N8N and start a new workflow in the editor. Now, go to Create Workflow in the top right corner. Then, click on the plus icon to add a first step. In the panel, use the search bar to search for Google Forms. Search the app from the provided option. If you can't find it, click the webhook text given below. Next, copy the webhook URL and search for Google Forms in the new tab. After that, visit the top link from the search results. Following that, enter the untitled questions, for example, name. Once you have created, reach the Response tab and click Link to Sheets. Next, hit the Create option to continue. Go back to the N8N workflow and search for Google Sheets. After that, click on Create Spreadsheets. Here, enter the required parameters in the given fields, including resource, title, operation, and seats. Then, go to the credential field and click Create New Credential. Here, you can add your service accounts or sign in with your Google account. Following that, choose your Google account and select the permissions to access. Now, continue to sign in to N8N. Your Google account will be connected to N8N. Once completed, proceed to execute the workflow and connect Google Forms to N8N. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe for more content like this.